I'll never be Thierry Henry, you know.
But that's good. It means you'll never be responsible for my champagne-infused death.
Why do you like me, Esther?
Why?
Yeah. Why do you miss me? What is it about me that makes you pleased to see me?
Are you fishing for compliments?
No, I'm asking for them.
Okay. I like you because you're honest. I like you because you know how to listen and you know when not to. I like you because when you take my hand and when you touch my neck, you're not just touching, you're... I don't know. I like you.
Do you want to know why I like you?
I don't know. I think sometimes it's good to never quite know. It's good to guess.
What keeps it interesting?
Which is the most important thing in any relationship, no matter what kind.
So you don't want to know why I like you?
Well, of course I do. Do you think I'm mad?
Good, because I'm going to tell you.
What?
I like you because you don't try and change me. You just let me be myself.
Is that it?
That's it.
Well, there's nothing about my wonderful sense of humor.
No.
My long legs, my sensitive touch, my witty repartee.
No, those are the reasons I love you. We're talking about life.
What?
It's much easier to love someone than it is to like them.
Okay. Yeah, I like that. Those things I said, they're why I love you. They're not why I like you.
Okay.
Do you want to know why I like you?
No, I think I know.
I think you do.
When do I see you next?
You tell me. We're not done yet, are we?
I'm sorry, I've got things I need to sort out.
It's $150 now. The agency changed the rates.
Worth every penny.
I can't wait for Barbados.
I can't wait for next time.
Maybe we could have sex.
That's not how this works.
I know.